Okay guys, you're almost there. The install does take a couple minutes, and these videos are our only way of really communicating with you, a simple way to install your keys. But trust me, you're almost done. So I'm going to go into the install files folder, and I'm going to go to PC install 3 because this is a video that's specific to that. And you got to just go ahead and run the installer. This is the program that you need to run when you want to use your keys on a PC. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to go right through it. I know it's crazy that we're making a video just for this, but you'll understand why in a minute. And okay, so there we go. So you should see RPG V401 flash on the screen at the end of it. That's how you know that your program is running. The other way you always know that your RPG keys are running is if you go down to your system tray, you'll see the little RPG icon right there. Okay, so that's that. You should notice that your keyboard has a green light on it right now. If it doesn't, just stop the video, pick up the phone, and give me a call. But your keyboard should have a green light on it. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to take these files, now that you've done this install, okay, I want you to copy them, and then I want you to go to My Computer, and we need to put them on the hard drive. Those files are always changing, and that's why we don't include them in the installer, because a week from now I may update that file. So I want you to go to your C drive, I want you to go to Program Files x86, or just Program Files if you're not on a 64-bit machine. I want you to find RPG keys, and I want you to just paste those files right there. Okay? You'll understand why later, but in just a second. Okay, so that's that. You've copied. Again, all you've done is you've copied files to computers, C drive, program files, or if you're on a 64-bit machine, program files x86, RPG keys V401, and you've just copied a couple of these MWS files. And those are files that you found in this install folder. So here we go. I'm going to turn the wheel on the top right of the keyboard. There's a little wheel. I want you to go ahead and find that wheel and turn the keys to the red position. Okay, it might take 15 seconds, but this screen should pop up. Okay, it's gonna look like, let's see here. It's gonna look like this. No, it's not. It's gonna look like this when you do this for the first time. Okay, it's gonna be blank. All the keys on the keyboard are blank. So you're gonna go up to File. You're gonna go to Open. You are going to go to your C drive. You're going to go to Program Files x86. You're going to find RPG, which is RPG V401 right there. And there's 3 files here. There's one that says Vista 32 for Photoshop CS4. There's XP CS3 and XP CS4. If you're on 7, like I am right now, then just pick the Vista one. It's cross-platform compatible. So I'm on CS4 and with 7, so I'm going to hit Open. And so now your keys have some gobbledygook on them. And just kind of give you a little bit more training here. There's a red layer and a green layer. Later on you'll understand why. And then you'll see down here, and those are for Lightroom, and then there's a layer down here for Photoshop. And you'll see the keys all look pretty much the same in Photoshop. So that's it. You've loaded the driver to the keyboard. If you ever have a problem or get an upgrade, you'll likely get a new keyboard driver. That's constantly what we're updating, is the driver files. So there you go. That's the end of this video. You're going to go ahead and turn the wheel. After you've done this, you're going to turn the wheel to the green position, or to the black position rather, and you'll notice that the light on your keyboard lights and stays green. And so you're good to go. So that's it. Let me stop the video, and you should definitely go and watch our training videos in the welcome folder.